In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up payment links in Stripe. From your Stripe dashboard, click the plus icon in the top right corner and then select Payment Link. You can create a payment link for a specific product. To do that, click Add New Product, enter the name of your product in the Product Name field. After that, add a description for the product or service. You can also upload an image if you want it to appear at checkout. Select any image that is relevant to the product or service you're creating the payment link for. Next, choose whether this will be a one-off charge. If it is, select One-Off. Now enter the amount you want customers to pay. You can also choose the currency you want to use. Once you've entered the amount and selected the currency, continue by adding the product. You'll also see the unit quantity setting, adjust it if needed, and then click Add Product. If you've already created the product before, you can simply select it instead of creating a new one. After adding the product, you'll see the payment page preview. Review the product name, amount, and description shown on the page. If needed, you can add more products. Scroll down and add additional products to the payment link. If you're only charging for one item or service, leave it with a single product. Below that, review the available settings. If you don't want to collect customer addresses, leave that option unchecked. You can also review the other settings available on the page. If you want to limit the number of payments, enable that option. This setting prevents the same payment link from being used again after a successful purchase. You can access additional options as well. One of those options allows you to change the button text. If needed, change it from Pay to another available option. If you prefer, leave it set to Pay. Next, use the preview options to view the payment page on both mobile and desktop layouts. When everything looks correct, click Create Link. Stripe will generate your payment link and display it on the next page. Copy the payment link and share it with the person who needs to make the payment. When someone opens the link, they'll be taken to the checkout page. The checkout page will display the product information and payment options available for completing the purchase. Once the payment link has been created and copied, the setup process is complete. Thank you for watching.